Hey guys, Lisle's Tools here. Hope you all are having a great day. Another good day for me. Long day, but a good day. Alright, today we got another tool haul. A couple things from the depot, a couple things from KMS Tools. Let's get right into it. Let's start right here with this sprayer. This is a BE Agricultural Industrial Agri-Ease. Made in China. It is a 34-ounce 1-liter commercial grade handheld sprayer. Mom had something like this in the garden, and I saw a YouTuber known as Tekamo HD. There's one guy on there, Cam. He uses one of these with a degreaser in it on heavy-duty machines just for cleaning off stuff. And I was thinking, geez, normally put it in. Do I have one handy? Yeah, I do. One of these Zep Spray Bottles like this. This one is just water. And yeah, these are great. They hold up, but... Oh, there's some water in it. Hold on. They work great, but you can't get a super controlled spray with this. Even if you pull slowly, it's very direct. And if you just want to lightly coat something, like you're degreasing a large part, well... that's perfect. And at the price of, actually I have my receipt here. What did that cost me? $6.95 Canadian for $7. Can't beat it. So that's I believe a pressure release. Pump it up. And or no, that's not your pressure release. Sorry, that's your. So we got pressure. Oh, I don't know what is in there. It kind of smells, but yeah. Oh, geez. I don't know what I just sprayed all over the shop, but I did. It actually kind of smells like bleach, so that's all right. Bleach is good stuff. So we deal with herbicides, fertilizers, disinfectants. If it can handle, insecticides, herbicides, disinfectants, it can handle some degreaser just fine. So there's that guy. I know you can get these branded by all sorts of brands. You can get them for really expensive, but I'm pretty sure they're all pretty much the same. So, there's that guy. And I'll just keep this around for the moment, just so I don't end up shooting bleach in my eye. Over here, nothing too special. Just some spill mats. They were 69 cents each. They only had 2, sadly. I should have started buying these a long time ago. Where I do my work is pretty much on the patio stones at my house, and well, our house. I live with my mom, and she's not thrilled when I get oil and coolant and all that kind of stuff on there, especially when I don't get it off in time and it stains and it does not come out. So I'm gonna pick up more of these when they have more in stock. This guy, everything other than the Milwaukee is from KMS Tools, just so you know. Just go over this guy real quick. What's that on there? Got me a Proto USA 10mm 3H drive shallow socket. I didn't have I had an SK, actually, but wanted to get something I knew I could count on the warranty for. And this was half the price of the Snap-on. It's only about $10 instead of 25 or so. So got that guy. Goes right with my brand new 11mm. Pardon me. And here we have. I'm so sorry I got rid of the packaging because I wanted to check this out. I got this on sale at Depot for a total of $37.98, so $38. So I don't want to blind you, but here's the light. That's high, low, off. I believe this is 500 lumens on high and 100 on low, or maybe 200. Anyway, this is I was going to say M12. This is a Rover light, Milwaukee. Hold on, let me just adjust this here. So it takes 2 AA. So it actually comes with some decent batteries. It's nice. Magnet on the back here. That's why I adjusted this clip. There's a little circlip here. You can pull off and then take off the clip. I do believe I'll be doing that. This is a nice clip though. springy, so definitely, you know, go on your shirt easily, you know, or belt or whatever. See there. Definitely could hang it like that. You could also put it, let's see, how would this go on? Here's my hat. Let's see. Can you wear that without blinding yourself? Kind of. Okay, so it's a bit heavy. You technically could put this on your hat. Maybe even better on a hard hat, actually. So there's that guy. I think for the price, it's pretty damn good. I was thinking of getting some Snap-on cordless lights. But for what you pay and the warranty, it's just not worth it, in my opinion. At least for the cheaper lights. Maybe I'll get some rechargeable ones in the future, but you know, this is a good light. It's got an IP5 rating, so it's not waterproof, but it's resistant. And yeah, so there's that guy. Magnet on the back and magnet on the top. I'll just give you a demonstration. It's no joke. Like, it is no joke. Like, hold on. M18 brushless drill with a 5.0 battery. You see, it doesn't even want to, like, take it off. Like, it won't hold that, but you can tell it's a decent magnet. It's no joke. So there's that guy. We'll leave that guy right there like that. And maybe I could even give you a brightness demonstration there. Let's try the camera for 1 sec. There. Yeah, look at that. We could light up the a movie set here. Go on an angle. Look at that. That's actually kind of cool. You guys like that? Should this be a part of our little YouTube show here? It's a nice color. It's got that true view. That's it. Actually might be nice on low. About that height. We're going to put it back. No. Oh, there. There. Tell me if that helps or hurts the viewing. I can see it's sort of washing out the red slightly. No, just slight. I'll turn it off. Let me know what you guys thought of that. Stick it back there. Alright, I got these guys. Lisle. Part number 22850. Does not say, but 99% sure these are USA made. And these are little hose pinch-off tools. I have a big Gear Wrench branded hose pinch-off pliers, which do work, but the amount of times I've taken a gas tank off all sorts of small like toys, dirt bikes, quads, etc., and you just want to take it off and not lose fuel everywhere because it is mess and it can be very flammable. So you can get this right down all the way to here. Is that steel, aluminum? Strange. Okay, this is plastic. Plastic and steel construction, just so we know. So yeah, and it's just a wing nut. It's really super simple, really. You can see how that works there. You just tighten it up, and it pulls in this like threaded L hook. Super simple. Actually, now I see these, you could really easily make something like this at home, especially if you had a, or not had a, if you're a woodworker guy like this. I don't think that notch necessarily needs to be there. Can you reverse these? I don't know. Anyway, 2 of them. Price on them from KMS Tools cost me $11.99, $12. It's a steel. I'm sure you've seen these on your Matco truck, maybe even Mac and Snap-on, and they probably cost you over $20. So there's those guys. I do believe those are lifetime warranted, but I don't think I'll be breaking these. Alright, moving along. Got me a little Irwin Hansen 1/8 inch multi-spline screw extractor used with 1/8 drill bit. So this is one of those pound-in extractor bits. Designed for hand application, do not use in power tools. Wear eye protection. 2017 Irwin. USA and Canada only. You can call 1-800-GO-IRWIN. And made in USA with global components. So, This is for the oh snap drawer, for when things go oh snap. Goes alongside my extractor sockets and the like. This was on half price. It was like $5. It was even better, $3.95, $4. And I do not have a full set of these or anything yet. Probably get them at some point, but a small one like this you're probably going to break anyway. So there's that guy. Quickly go over these. You've all seen these. These are the best permanent marker around. These are the Milwaukee Inksols. It says writes on dust, wet, oily surfaces. It does indeed. It is clog resistant. Yes, it is. It will write on cinder blocks. What's that? Concrete, wood, metal, pipes, PVC, copper, whatever. It's got the hard hat clip. And also, if you guys didn't know, on a Milwaukee hard hat, you can get this optional accessory. Do I have an Inksol up here? Yes, I do. Take your Inksol, stick it right there like that. Of course, it'll work with other markers and stuff, but just like that. You got your Milwaukee in Milwaukee. You can see this is a well-used Inksol, and it's still going strong. I just wanted more to have around. Lots of Sharpies, but... Oh, another thing about these. These don't stink. You know, you open a Sharpie in a room with no ventilation, you're like, ugh, you know? It's horrible. These, they don't stink. And they do have a smell, but it's like 10% of a Sharpie, so it's no big deal. So there's those guys. They're a steal of a deal, especially in a pack. Wrong receipt. They cost me $5.99, so $6 for 4 markers. These are cheaper than Sharpies, I think. And the ink is made in Germany. The markers assembled in China. There's some stuff on it. And yeah, you can keep the cap off for a while. They don't dry out instantly. They're very nice markers. So there's those guys. And last but certainly not least, I'll just bring the big box down here for a second. This is a First Strike, a 5-pound fire extinguisher. Just give you a couple numbers. I'm not sure if that's for this, but we have here, it comes with a vehicle bracket. Here's your number. These are manufactured in Canada, in Ontario, Scarborough. And yeah, these are all, you know, UL listed and whatever the heck you gotta be for fire extinguishers. These are full top quality. Comes with a little owner's manual, or you know what I mean, instructions, etc. Here's the vehicle bracket. So we'll just pull this off. It's got the nice latch. So how it works, it goes up around the neck of the bottle. This wraps around the bottle. Bring this in here, clip, and pull it tight, like so. And this one actually is going to be for a vehicle. One of those things that you don't necessarily have to have, but if you need it, it will literally save your life. And hoping to go to a few track days, etc. this summer, so it's, you know, something I'd rather have and not need than need and not have. As with a lot of tools and safety equipment that we all own, that's just something I really stand by, live by, like a saying, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's a nice unit. It's a good unit. You could have a big fire, and I'm pretty sure this will put her out. Yeah, and I believe this is... Where does it say? If I'm not mistaken... I'm not sure if it was this one or the other one, but I thought it was a dry chemical, which I know is good for a car-style fire. Nice nozzle on her there. Oh, it's got a flexi spout. Does that need to be tightened? Okay, that needs to be tightened. Good to know. Okay, so that's one thing you might want to look at. Make sure that that nut is snugged up, because it was rotating with the hose, and now it is not. This has got a rotatable fitting. But yeah, just make sure that nut is snugged. I'll probably just Give it an eighth of a turn. Anyway, there's that, guys. I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you didn't see my other recent video on my Nuco tools unboxing and overview, do check that out. Link for that will be in the description, as well as a link to my Instagram. Yeah, guys, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, take it easy.